We're making Grandma's green chili stew. Well, actually, it's just green chili stew. But how Grandma does it.
What is this?
This is the pork shoulder. We put the bones in there for flavor.
You missed it, but off camera, she just put a little bit of flour in there to thicken up the stew and it goes together. All right. And here we have some onion.
Put in the onion. I cut up 2 onions. Oh shoot, technical difficulties. Let those onions sweat a little.
I've been cooking this for just a minute. Now she is
mincing some garlic. Just when you're almost nearly done with them onions. They're looking really good. Then you start to smell it. And then you're gonna let that just chill for about 30 minutes while you get your potatoes ready.
20 minutes. We've been simmering down.
Gonna add in some green chili and then let it simmer a little bit more, and then add in the potatoes and diced tomatoes. So should I just add in half or?
Yeah.
Alright. So adding in the green chili, and then I'm gonna let this simmer. And then we'll add in the rest in like about 15 minutes. And we want to see just if the flavor, if it needs any more green chili.
All right, we just put in the diced tomatoes. Just regular diced tomatoes. Don't try anything weird. Don't put any fire roasted, organic, blah, blah. I guess if you really want to, if you put organic, no, it's not going to taste right. You just got to use regular. In this case, we used the petite dice, but if you like a little bigger chunks, you can use a regular diced.
And no salt added, only because you add a lot of salt in this, so you don't have to go salt on salt on salt.
And at a full disclosure, my grandmother cubes the meat, and she doesn't do strips like I did here.
And they also did cube.
I just want to make sure I say that so I don't get in trouble.
I'm going to cube them pretty big, just because potatoes break down. So we already know we need to add more green chili.
It's all going in.
So we're just going to dump it. I'm going to wait for it to boil, and then I'm going to add the potatoes. Last step is adding in the potatoes. Just added those in, and then you let it boil.
For at least 20 minutes, and then I prefer to have it cook for, you know, a couple hours simmering so it can really marinate together. But make sure that you do bigger potatoes or they'll break down.
The first time I did like baby chunks and they broke down, so like it made the soup like a paste and it wasn't great. So the bigger potato goes a long way, especially recooking.
So we're going to let it cook down for a minute and we'll be back to show you the results. Okay, we're back. Well, as you can see, we're already in a container. We got a little excited and we already ate. It's very spicy. I would suggest that you start with maybe half a bottle or a container and then taste it before you put the whole thing.
My lips are still burning. Fire. It's still good though. It was just very spicy. Mouth burning lips, like.
We cooked it for what, another like hour before we started eating. Once the potatoes are soft and, you know, ready to eat, you can start eating, or you can continue to simmer it for as long as you'd like.
We figured maybe we would put some broth, maybe try to cut the hotness. Maybe add some more potatoes on my second batch when we reheat this.
Yeah, when we eat leftovers, just put fresh potatoes.
Yeah, maybe even like another fresh can of tomato, maybe even so, just to like put acidity in that spiciness.
Overall, it's pretty basic. There's only a few ingredients. It's pork shoulder, onion, diced tomato,
And garlic.
2 garlic cloves, and some salt.
Green chili.
Green chili.
the main star is the green chili.
So, I mean, you can add other things if you like. If you want to put a little red chili, you can do that. But this is how we do it. Thanks for watching. Forget to always turn on this one because I'm dark now.
Mmm.